Hi everyone, my name is Savannah Londre and I am a wholesale intern at Cinq this summer in New York City. A huge part of our role is to help with all of our samples as long as help manage our showroom. We host market every other month, so we're kind of all hands on deck when it comes to that. And then on top of that, we're just helping with any of our East Coast, West Coast, or international representatives with anything they need, whether that's on new order, fashion GPS, helping with photo shoot. Luckily, I knew a girl that was a year older than us at Auburn that interned for them last summer, so she was able to give our senior account executive my email, and I reached out to her and we set up a Zoom meeting, and luckily I got the position the next day. My favorite part is the people. I have the best bosses and I've worked with the best girls. 3 biggest takeaways were to not take things too seriously, be kind to everyone because you never know who you're going to meet, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Biggest advice is to take the pressure off yourself, not take things too seriously, and just do something that you genuinely love.